Hello everyone, myself Pragna Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to speak English confidently? Let's start a challenge right now. No fear, no hesitation, only conversation. ચાલો આજે શરૂ કરીએ ચેલેન્જ. First, daily sentence you must about know. Repeat with me. I am getting ready. હું તૈયાર થઈ રહી છું. I am almost ready. હું લગભગ તૈયાર છું. I am just about to leave. હું જતી જ રહી છું. Now motivational phrases that help you. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. મને મારામાં વિશ્વાસ છે. I will never give up. હું ક્યારેય હાર માનીશ નહીં. I can do anything. હું કંઈ પણ કરી શકું છું. I am a confident. હું આત્મવિશ્વાસી છું. I will speak fluent English. હું fluent અંગ્રેજી બોલીશ. Now a motivational story that inspire you to speak English. One day I had to give a short talk in English at my school function. At first I felt nervous. My hands were shaking. But then I took a deep breath and decided to speak with confidence. As I started speaking, my fear slowly disappeared. And everybody listened carefully. That day I realized courage is more powerful than fear. And finally, I spoke fearlessly in English. So friends, when you speak, speak with heart, not fear. જ્યારે તમે બોલો દિલથી બોલો, ડરથી નહીં. Now daily practice plan. Listen 5 minutes, whatever you like. News, video clip, story, interviews, cricket commentary. Repeat 5 sentences as your choice. Mirror practice for 2 minutes. Record yourself 1 minute. Review 1 minute. Every mistake brings you closer to fluency. દરેક ભૂલ તમને ફ્લુઅન્સી તરફ લઈ જાય છે. So speak with confidence. I believe in you. Let's speak together. Change your routine. Change your voice. Change your confidence. તમારો રૂટીન બદલો, તમારો અવાજ બદલો, તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ બદલો. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more English plus motivation video. Take care and goodbye.